Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee looking for a new custom modern home? Today we are at it again in West Nashville looking at a gorgeous home on top of a hill with a rooftop porch, so you have views of downtown from here and just a beautiful home. Can't wait to show it to you. This one here, so West Nashville, you're just down 40 West. You can also go Charlotte Pike, which that takes you from here all the way downtown. Charlotte Pike has just seen an explosion of growth over the last few years. Tons of restaurants, shops, and new homes, so just a great area to purchase and build up some equity and just some value for being here over the years. So I love this area. I think you're gonna like it too. And I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We're out here every single week looking for unique and custom homes for people just like you. So fill out that questionnaire in the description and we'll get back with you. My team will reach out to you. Can't wait to meet you. Let's get into the features of this home here. So this one is 4 beds, 4.5 baths, 4,022 square feet. And this one's listed just under 1.7 million. So 1,699,900. The foyer here, the entryway is just incredible. It goes all the way to the top, and then you have glass going up all the way too, so you have views from every single floor. You have outdoor space on every single floor, which I love. If you've seen in my other videos, you know I love the outdoor spaces. And the rooftop deck on this one is just unbelievable. We're actually going to start there and work our way down, and so you'll see downtown from there. You have views of downtown and just a beautiful area. You have trees on the other side of the street, which I really like. I don't think they're going to be able to build on that side, so just a very peaceful area. And just being up on a hill like this, it just has a very private feel. I love that this one has an elevator. You also have a commercial grade chef's kitchen, and this one was built by Hilton Design and Build. They have a great reputation here in town. They do very good work. Can't wait to show this one to you. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go check it out. comment below. Let me know what you think about this very unique modern home. You don't see a lot of homes like this. I love that you can see downtown from here. It's very peaceful outside here. I don't think there's gonna be any homes built on this side of the street here. I think there's too much of a slope. So just very peaceful circle up here. It's really just a street on top of a hill, and they're building several homes like this up here, but just love all the outdoor space. Love just the nice touches that this one has, and hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about it, and can't wait to hear from you. And as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. So can't wait to meet you. Reach out, fill out that questionnaire in the description, and we will get back with you. I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.